think after this challenge, the difference is that I feel like, okay, I've got a better foundation and I have some encouragement to move forward. One of the things that I was facing was I just felt stuck and frozen, that I couldn't actually put out funnels. And so I've got several funnels ready to go now. And I think the key thing here is that you just have to actually publish. Just do it. Not be afraid that you're going to make a mistake. And Russell was so encouraging that way the entire time. So thank you to the whole One Funnel Away Challenge team, and thank you, Russell.
Okay, guys, so this is the One Funnel Away, okay? And it literally, guys, has helped me to build my six-figure business right from home, okay? So here's how it works. For the next 2 days, only 2 days left, right? It's only 2 days left, and they're going to close the doors, right? And they probably won't open this back up until another 6 months, so you don't want to wait. Plus, once you get it, then I'm also going to give you how to make money online course, okay? It's about 7 to 8 modules, and I show you how to promote a free book, right? How to do Instagram advertising, free and paid advertising on Instagram, so that you can build your brand, so that you can build your list, so you can build your following. So for $100, you will get the One Funnel Away Challenge, which is going to go through 30 days of showing you how to market, how to build out your funnel, how to get leads. And then also too, now I'm going to give you my course. So you're literally getting 2 for 1. Okay, so I'm going to show you right here. All right, you see right here? You see? If you guys can see it, but it's One Funnel Away Challenge. Okay, so this has helped me build my six-figure business. So you're literally getting two for 1, so $100, and you'll get 2 trainings, one from me, one from Russell and his team of 7-figure earners. Okay, it's only $100. Look, all you do is pay $100, and I want you to click right on the link, and then the value of this is about $3,000. So for 30 days, 30 days of videos, 30 days of video mission from Russell Brunson, which is worth $1,000. 30 days of coaching from Stephanie and Julia for $1,000. One Funnel Away Challenge kit, which is also $250. A bonus, a physical copy of the workbook, which I have, which I got to go look for because I did this 6 months ago. A bonus, the MP3 player, okay, the 30-day hardcover book, unlimited access to the 30-day interview, and behind the scenes of the 2 Comma Club. So all of this together is about $3,000, okay? The 30-day challenge starts on the 14th of January, so you really only have 2 days left. You only have 2 days left. So here's what you will be getting. All right, what you guys have seen anyway, right? This is exactly what you will be getting straight to your home. You will be getting this straight to your home. Something else that you can have in your arsenal of resources, right, for your business. So you won't ever feel stuck because you will have exactly what you need. Here it goes right here. Right, the book, okay? He's showing you everything, right? This is it. You don't need, it says day 1, I'll do this. Day 2, I'll do this. And day 3, I'll do this. Each of them are laid out in a 30-day battle plan to get your business back on track, starting back at square one. No product, no list, no traffic, no running no ads, no reputation, and no funnel. So we're going to show you how to have a product, how to build a list, how to get traffic, how to build a reputation, and how to build a funnel. The 30-day book is a giant 550-page hardcover book, 30 chapters, 30 action plans, 30 action plans, okay? Plus a spiral book, a physical, spiral book, okay, with all the secrets, right in here, right? Right, all the secrets. I don't know if you guys can see that. All the secrets right in there, okay? Then the MP3 live recording of the first funnel away, okay? All this stuff. So you get all of this stuff, guys. Plus now you get access to these minds of people who've built 6- and 7-figure and 8-figure funnels for $100. Plus you're getting a bonus of Plus, you're getting a bonus of my How to Make Money course for free, 2 for 1, and you have 2 days left. So don't miss out on this. Muscle Bunson is like an 8-figure earner. Julia, she's an 8-figure earner. Stefan, he's an executioner. He's a 7-figure, earner. So these are the trainings, guys, that you need online. A lot of people want to quit their job. A lot of people want to know how. This is how, but you got to invest in yourself. You have to invest in yourself. You have to invest in yourself. So you have 2 days left to pay $100 to be able to get access to all of this, plus my How to Make Money course, right? Now, after this, you won't have access to all of this. You'll just be able to get my How to Make Money course. And that's it. So you don't want to miss out, right? So at least 10 people right now need to get that, okay? Then you'll get my course, and it's only 2 days left. It's only $100. It's price. You get 2 for the price of 1, right? And it's only 2 days left, and it's only $100, right? You said 2019 is going to be yours. You haven't spent the $100 yet? Now is the time, guys. So click on the link below, get your 1 funnel away, and then once you do, send me your receipt so that I can actually send you my How to Make Money online course, and that's going to last you forever. You could give it to your kids. You could give it to your grandkids, whoever you want to give it to. But the time is now, guys. You only have 2 days left. 2 for $100, guys. Look forward to seeing you on the inside. Remember, see at the top, because the bottom is just too crowded.